So it can be pi lambda can't be determined, or otherwise D, none of this. In this case, my answer should be can't be determined, because I can't say exactly either rook or knight. In the case of can't be determined, they may say data insufficient or data inadequate. In the place of can't be determined, they can say data insufficient. Data insufficient or data inadequate. Okay. Then next. So this is about jumbled coding. Then matrix. Matrix coding. So what is matrix? A square grid of 4 by 4 or 5 by 5, it can be any. Let us take a 4 by 4. How to read it? Let us say sometimes they will give 1, or sometimes they will start with 0 to confuse us. 0, 1, 2, 3. A, so like this, anything can be filled. I will take G at the last. I and I. Now another grid. So U, P and P, they can take any other, not particularly exactly what I am doing. I am just taking randomly. H and H. Now see, this will be starting from 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how the coding, like if no information is given, which to read first, or means suppose if I want to read B, it is in row, second row and column. See, first what I said, row. Means first, if you want to read any letter, we have to read first row and then column. If I want to take A, then I have to take second row, third column. Suppose if I want to take P, sixth row, sixth column. So this is what we need to, this is how we need to read it. But suppose sometimes they will mention first column and then row. Otherwise, we should not consider. Suppose if they ask, what is the code for what we will take? . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . POLI. Mhm. PALI, code for PALI. So first option. I. Then second option. I we will take as 03. Then third option. Six 11 65 23. Then fourth option. 4723 5712 or 30 will take. Okay, so now what is our answer? So first see that P is in which box? First box or second box? First matrix or second matrix? P 6 given, 6 and 6. Okay, it is correct, but that doesn't mean that that option is correct. Why I took means 6 if suppose if this option gone wrong, wherever 6 is there, that I directly can note it for it is correct. Then A 2 3 2 3, yes, correct. Then 5 6, first row and then column. So 5 row wise and then column wise 6. No, in that place R is there, so it is not our answer. Then no need to check 1 2. Then 4 7 P, 4th row and 7th column, yes, P is correct. Then 1 1, yeah, A is correct. Then means where they are both intersecting, suppose second row second. Now see 6 5 is there in the matrix. There is 4 5 6 7 and 4 5 6 7. Now we have to check for 6 5 6 5. These both intersected box, that should be taken. So 6 5 is what? L, which is correct. Then 0 3 is B, so it is not correct. Then 6 6 is correct, 1 1 is correct, 6 5 is correct. Just we need to check 2 3. 2 3 is given as A, no, it is not correct. 4 7 2 3 5 7. 5 7 is L and 3 0. 3 0 is I, correct. So our option is option D. So there is no doubt in this, I hope. Now we will go to letter coding or letter to number coding. Letter to, don't again call it as direct coding. Direct coding we have seen, but now it is completely different. Letter to letter or letter to number. So first we'll go with full pair. Full pair. So in full pair, write the letters A to Z. I couldn't able to fill it. I will write again. Now write from N to this side. X, Y and Z. Now give the numbers. 1, 26, 25, 2, 3, 24. See how my pen is moving. So you have to by heart all the letters in such a way. So 11. Now see, what is full pair means? Add any two opposite pairs. It will give the sum. It will give the sum 27. See this both. If I add, it gives the sum 27. Or otherwise, you add these both, it gives sum 27. Or if you add these both, it gives sum 27. If I go with a word, scape or escape, how I can write code was, in the place of E, I can take V, S, H, C, X, A, Z, P, K, E, V. So this is how I am coding. How I am writing this? Because I know the alphabet numbers and also the sum whose gives 27. So see, check it. 5, 22. It is 8, so it is 19. It is 3, so it should be 24. If it is 26, this must be 1. P is 16, so it must be 11. So it is 22, it is 5. Check the corresponding letters. 5 plus 22 is 27. 19 plus 8 is 27. 3 plus 24, 27. Everywhere it is 27, 27, 27. So we come to know that what is full pair. Then how the question can be asked. Suppose if they given like paper is coded as I, V, K, Z, K. How it is coded? In what way? Then 0 is coded in what? 0 is coded as what? In that same language. How to? So first give the numbers. It is 16, 1, P is 16, E 5, R 18. Now give the numbers 9, 22, 11, 26, 11. Now check the first letter, 16 and 9. It is not 27. Means in the exam, they won't mention that it is question from full pair. This is question from half pair. They will not mention. But we need to. So what to do? So how to do was check from to and fro. Suppose if you check from left to right, also check from right to left. Now see, 11 and 16, yes, 27. Then 1 and 26, 27. 16 to 11, 27. 27, 27. So it is from reverse, in the reverse order they wrote. So Z means first E comes. E is 5, so 22 means V. R is 18, so I. Then E, again V. So Z, so A. So this is how we are coding. It is called full pair. Then what is half pair? Half pair. Suppose if I take letters again, A, B, C, D, E. Then now see the next set we are writing exactly below A. Then what is the, like, see this, give the numbers 1, 14, 15, 2, 5, 21, 8. So now if they ask about coding for crow, crow is coded as P, E, B, J. Then bark is coded as what? Now give the numbers. C is 3, R is 18, O is 15, it is 23. And P is 16, 5, 2 and 10. See that the corresponding letters C to 16, the difference is 13. See that opposite letters difference is 13 or not. It is called half pair. See everywhere. So in the place of that corresponding letter I am taking that C to P, R to E, 5E and O to B and W to J. Hope you understood. Now bar 2, 1, 18, 11. So 2 is less than 13. So add 13, it becomes 15, which is O. Then 1, so less than 13. So add 13, it becomes N. Then 18, less than 13. So add minus 13, it becomes E. Then 11, less than 13. So add 13, it becomes X. So 1x or ONEX. So hope you understood what is full pair and half pair. Then letter 2. Letter or number. Suppose if they say button is coded as 2, 21, 20, 20, 15, 14. Then if they ask about sky, see here 6-letter word is given, but they are asking about 3-letter word. So be careful. Like first of all, it is not mentioned that we have taken the corresponding letters of the button, but how to differentiate. So if you know the alphabet numbers prior, it becomes easy. But some students going to exam hall in the white paper or whatever the paper they bring or the paper they given, they will start writing on that. Suppose if A, B, C, you wrote like this 1, 2, 3, 4. In a hurry, instead of checking D as 4, if you check D as 3, we are going to lose the mark. So please by heart it. It becomes easy. I know only alphabets from left to right. I don't know from right to left. But left to right, if you know, it is easy to get the answers. Now, S is what? 19. First of all, B is 2, U is 21, T is 20, T is 20, O is 15th alphabet and N is 14th alphabet. So sky is 19, K is 11 and Y is 25. That's it. We got the answer. Then if they ask for what we will take? Deer. Deer is coded as 784. Then wolf is coded as what? See, it is a 3-letter word given. Sorry, 4-letter word given, but the code is in 3 digit. So it says that it is not what? A direct coding. Means, okay, with the numbers they have did something. Either number should be added. If you add 4 numbers, either single digit or double digit, we won't get 784. The maximum 2-digit number 99, if you add 4 times, we are getting only near to 400, but not 784. So in that case, see, you have to learn 30 squares minimum. Daily you practice 5 squares. It becomes easy to get 30 squares. Now deer. First of all, see that number 784. It is a perfect square. Of which number? 28. This is 28 square. But now come to that 28 from this word how it was. So D is 4, E is 5, A is 1 and R is 18. So 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 18 is how much? 10 plus 18, 28. Okay, alphabet numbers they added. They added alphabet numbers. Now wolf, W is 23, O is 15, L is 12, F is 6. Add all this. 23 plus 15, 38. Plus 12, 50. Plus 6, 56. So 56 square is equal to, see again I can give you shortcuts. One squaring, use a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square, 2ab, b square. In the place of square, what I have, plus, what I have taken slash. Means we are separating the units place and tens place. 56 square I am separating like units place and tens place. Now don't call it as 50 and the units place 6, not like that. 5 and 6. Now this is A and this is B, just substitute. 25, 2 into 5 into 6 and b square, 6 square is 36. Now 25, 60, 36. What is this? Balancing. These slashes are nothing but balancing. See 6, 36, take 6 and 3 carried forward. 63, take 3 and 6 carried forward. 31. So 3136 is our answer. Okay. Suppose how to find the root of this? 3136. My easiest thing. First thing is, as I told you should learn, you have to learn 30 squares. Whatever the number it is, finding the square root, last two numbers should be separated. Now what are the last two digits? 36. On squaring which number below 25 will get 36? That is 6. So our answer must be 50 plus 6 or 50 minus 6 or 100 plus 6 or 100 minus 6 or 150 plus 6 or 150 minus 6. It goes like that. So now in that case, what should be our answer? So our answer should be 50 plus 6 or 50 minus 6. See that the remaining number other than this 36, the remaining number is 31. 31 means nearest to which square? 5 square or otherwise 6 square. Between 5 and 6 means now it is a 4-digit number, so it should be 50 and 60. Hope you understood what I am saying. And it won't end for 150, then 200. But how long we have to write? Now see, the answer should be between 50 and 60. Between these both there is a number 55 also. Actually 50 square is 2500. 55 square, a number ending with 0 squares, you know that we have to put 2 zeros on squaring. 6 square 36. But the number ending with 5, we need to write it like 5 square 25, and the rest of the number is whatever it is, take the successor of that. 5 into 6, 30. So now compare this. 3136 is between 50 square to 55 or otherwise 55 square to 60 square. It should be above 55 but below 60. Then our answer must be 3136. So 56 is our answer. So above 55 means 50 plus 6. So our answer is 56. If you need another example, see 7921. Separate last two numbers. 21. And squaring which number? 11. So our answer should be 50 plus 11 or 50 minus 11 or 100 plus 11 or 100 minus 11. We can extend it. But see, you have basic idea that 100 square is 10,000, but the question is about 4 digit. 10,000 is a 5 digit. So our answer must be 50 plus 11 or 50 minus 11. Now see, the rest of the two digits near to 79 is near to above 64 and below 81. 8 square and 9 square means 80 square or 90 square. Between these both there is a number 85 square. What is 85 square? This is 6400 and this is 8100 and this is 7200. The number is between 85 square and 90 square. So above 85, below 95, below 90. What it is? 100 minus 11. 100 minus 11 is 89. 89 square is 7921. Hope you understood this. Hmm? So with these examples, we are going to solve coding and decoding. Then later we will see questions. Or otherwise letter to letter we didn't see. One second. Letter to letter. Suppose letter to letter, if they take rabbit is coded as, what we will take? Letter to number, just now we have seen letter to letter. Then if they ask about liquid, simple thing, give the numbers 18, 1, 2, till you get practice, give the numbers. This is 19, 2, 3, 3, 10, 21. Now see, compare that. 18 to 19, 1 increase. 1 to 2, 1 increase. So each letter is increasing by 2. Most of them, by reading as now I shown, they will check only first 2 letters. But we have to check every letter. 2, 2, 3, 3. 9 become 10. 20 become 21. Okay, now L is 12, so 13. M. I is 9, so 10J. Q is 17, so 18R. U is 21, 22V. I is 9, so 10J. D to E. This is our coding. So this speed you may get if you are practicing the numbers what I told. Many times we need to practice. If you practice only, then it becomes easy. Otherwise it won't. Suppose another question. If this give that solid is coded as EKO S X. Then if they ask about beard, now first give the numbers 19, 15, 12, 9, 4, 5, 11, 15, 19, 24. 19 to 5, 14 reduced, 14 to 11, 4 reduced, means I am checking corresponding. 12 to 15 increased, 9 to 19 increased, 4 to plus 20. Every time don't check from left to right only, also check from right to left. So right to left if I come, means S should be compared with 24. Solid, and I am writing this code in the reverse order. XSOKE. Now 19 minus, so this is 19, 15, 12, 9, 4, 24, 19, 15, 11, 5. From here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Okay, they increased. So now beard we have to write in DRAEB. Now increase. First letter, how much should we increase? Plus 5. Solid, we increased 5. So D plus 5 is, or otherwise you write from the reverse. So first D plus 5 is I, then R plus 4 is V, then A plus 3 is D, and E plus 2 is G, and B plus 1 is C. This is what our coding. Okay, so these kind of questions many will be, but on practice we can do that, otherwise we can't.